Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the MF Rectifier Mrk2 for the spar plating pen plating process. So to get started, make sure that you've placed your rectifier on a nice firm surface, and then also that the on-off switch at the back is in the 0 position. To connect your rectifier to the mains, plug in the mains cable in the back, like so. And then turn your rectifier on at the back. You can now plug in your black and red leads. To get started, press the 16V/5 amp button until it starts flashing. Set the current or amps using the current dial to anywhere between 1 and 1.2 amps. To set the voltage, use the volts dial to that quoted on your bottle of spar plating pen plating solution. According to the gold pen plating solution bottle, it should be between 4 to 5 volts. When you're ready to start plating, press the output on button, which will change from white to green. This button here will also stop flashing. When the pen plating process is complete, press the output on button, which will change from green to white. This shows that the pen plating circuit is powered off. If you would like these instructions in the written format, please navigate to our website at www.golden.co.uk and go to our electroplating guides.